Hi, welcome to another video. What we have here today is I have a friend who is going on an African safari. So we're going to be cleaning these boots, fixing the sole. We're going to glue it with Loctite shoe glue. But the point of the video really is my friend wants to make these a little bit more waterproof. And we're going to be using Huberd's shoe grease. So I'm going to clean this with the saddle soap, and the only difference is I'm going to use a really harsh nylon scrub to really clean this. I'm not going to record that because you have seen that in other videos. The point of this video is really the Huberd's shoe grease. So let me take care of cleaning this, and then we'll come back when we're ready to apply the grease. Okay, so we're back. We cleaned the boots and have been warming it, and we put the Huberd's shoe grease on hot water to melt it. This comes solid. It's a solid grease. And now it's melted, and this is being a little warmed. So we're going to apply the grease with our hands. And I have gloves because I don't want my hands to smell after this. Huberd's has two products, Huberd's grease, which is what we have here, and Huberd's oil. I asked the cobbler what was the difference, and he said they're the same as far as purpose. They're both for waterproofing. The oil is easier to apply because you don't have to do anything to get it in liquid form. It's already liquid. He did say that the grease stays in the shoe longer, so it provides protection for longer. So that's why we have this one here. This is the first application. The instructions say that you have to apply it twice. So we're going to do these tonight. We're going to let it sit, and then tomorrow night we're going to repeat the same process of applying the grease. That's only the first time. The first time you do it twice. After that is a single application. I'm going to make sure to put a lot of these on the seam here between the shoe and the welt. This shoe does not have a strong welt, so we're going to make sure to put a lot of grease in there. And we're going to put the product on the entire shoe. Obviously the bottom is the key for water protection, but just so that the shoe has the same even coloration, we're going to do it over the entire shoe.
And here are the boots after they're done. There is some serious darkening of the color. They still need to fully dry on the waxes and the grease. So my friend is ready for his safari, and I'll update the description in a month when I hear back how well they performed. Bye.